Kublesh Fibro, Gajumtip Namta Kubar Laitkam are Tylli Civil Hospital Shillong. Dengan play company notice application invited on an urgent basis from eligible and interested candidate for the following post on a 3-month trial basis which may be extended depending on performance. Kena mutba kishim shwaya kataka 3 months trial live night dan kensa extend biang depending on performance. Tikini ki post kidun artali kawai gede assistant accountant kawai number position na kawai fill up mende ki become na MCOM with minimum 2 years experience and working knowledge of Tylli. Civil Hospital Shillong as per MHIS PMJY tehang ne company area kat no kata tulop te kesh ombai as per MHIS. Number 2 office assistant tangi way keneru any graduate proficient in English with minimum 2 years experience and working knowledge of MS Office. Bendon ka working knowledge te bendon na asnam experience pangi office assistant ketika way bro asnam experience pangi assistant accountant kini depo Civil Hospital Shillong. Interested candidate should apply through the link provided te kane ka ladap ai ne form.u tu tengah sabuk ke link po description sa klik hang tu and support direct and sa pendap de kane ka Google form te pendap direct. Shortlisted candidate will be contacted via phone and email. Kin dap hila pendap te nam ta ki shortlisted candidate kin sa shu phone le kin shu email to appear in interview and written test. Written test only against the post of assistant accountant tang ketika number 1 kandon ka written test. Institute reserve the right to make any amendment or cancellation of this advertisement completely or partially without assigning any reason thereof. Last date of submitting of application is 7th of May 2025 at 5 p.m. For any technical issue, you can email civilhospital@gmail.com. Siapa klik ketika link dan sabuk per description, tapi bisa pendap ketika Google Form. Kalau last date kedai new trick me arja rapsan. Tanggi nih hijau putih, kublesh bun.